Reef is a super important ecosystem in the planet. When they're dying, a lot of marine life is lost, and coastal protection is lost with it as well. And to prevent that, coral reef, they need to be restored, they need to be protected. At Coastruction, we want to 3D print the new generation of artificial reef. We use innovative powder bed 3D printing technology to create a structure that they can restore marine life and protect coastlines. In the tank, we have few samples that we 3D printed with our machine. This one is our preferred because it's been in the seawater in Sardinia and Gulf Orange for 13 months. And as you can see, it's totally overgrown. It's been printed with recycled concrete from the TU Delft. This was the original color of the structure. And after 13 months, it was totally overgrown and it changed color. I think sustainability is the future. I mean, we're not going to have a bright future if you don't start considering right now sustainability and especially circularity. Right now, my dream is to bring this technology available to everybody, to allow anybody in the world to have their own design, to have their own structure printed, to place it in the water or on a river, in a lake, or even on land. Why Rotterdam? Because Rotterdam is really vivid for innovation and also is the biggest port in Europe. So we really believe that is a center of connection for our technology to be spread everywhere in the world. We have connection with Australia, with Maldives, Jamaica, and Emirates and Saudi Arabia, and we really hope to restore nature everywhere in the planet.